Hello and welcome to a new video. You would like to earn money easily in addition to skins for video games, gift cards, and even Bitcoin? Then stay because this video is for you since I bring you a new page with which you will be earning money easily from practically anywhere. Part of the world, of course, with its disappointments, although remember, if you want to know if it is available in your country, you have the link in the description. The page that we are going to be using for this method is about Idle@. Empire. Here you will be able to start making money easily, also that they offer you 500 coins for simply registering for free, and to do this, you simply click here on Start Now, and as you see, the registration is quite simple. You click here on Sign Up, and you can register with your Steam account, where you could receive skins or money in Steam with Google, with Twitter, Facebook, with Discord, or with your PayPal account. Because yes, even with your PayPal account, you could withdraw directly, which is quite convenient, although in my case, I would register with Google, or if you prefer, you can do it in a more traditional way, with your name, your email address, a password, confirm the password, click on that We Are Not a Robot, and ready to log in. Now, once the session has started, our 500 coins appear here, which they practically gave us as a gift. And we have different opportunities here. We have this notification window. And well, how can we start earning? The truth is that there are several ways. Let me show you each of them. The first thing would be, and yes, I know that many people do not usually like but it is still of the most profitable ways to get money online. And well, here we have different opportunities. For example, we have views where you could earn around 6,250 coins or points for each survey completed. To do this, click here on Start Earning and a new window will load. Here we are simply going to put, for example, if we have a vehicle or our main vehicle here, we are going to put, for example, 2021. How many hours a week do you spend playing computer video games? Let's put that 4 days. And what is the annual income of your organization approximately? We click here on Continue, and well, this one did not help us, but do not be discouraged. The truth is that you have other opportunities. For example, ZEP Research. We click here, and it will start loading different surveys, which pay a good amount of coins. As you can see, we have all of these to start. We have these of 11,250. We have of 11,55,750, 2,100, 5,655,650, 7,500. We have several of 7,500, 3,750. The truth is that there are very good opportunities, and the lowest would be this one of 900 points or 900 coins. The coolest would be this one that in 15 minutes we would be taking 11,250 coins, which makes it a very good opportunity. Yes, we also have Speak Up here, in which, well, basically we are going to start filling out surveys in this category. We simply have to wait for it to finish loading. And in fact, the link appears as an affiliate link that is directly to the Empire page here. While it loads, we can load another one like Theron Research. We click on it, and it loads much faster. We accept terms and conditions. We give it here an OK, and we can get a 10% bust for this. We only have to answer 15 questions, which will really take us at least 1 or 2 minutes. Here, we simply have to answer this, and we will get a super bonus with which we will get more points. We will get to appear in purple, something like this. As you see, 4,200 points, 3,350, and here we can see more opportunities. Remember, if you complete here, you will receive your bust. For example, this one that would pay up to 36,000 points, which is super cool. We also have Polefish, which, well, basically it is surveys, but well, Deppel Swish, obviously. And to start, you just have to complete your profile. Here we give you what we agree on, and well, what day comes after Tuesday. On Wednesday, we give you here to continue, and as you see, we only have to fill out a series of quite basic questions anyway with capital and good opinion. We have other opportunities here, but it is not the only one. We also have the wall software that basically by registering in @H Media Offer Toro Review Universe, you can earn good commissions for simply installing an application or registering somewhere. As you see here, we have different offers, even an iPhone 14 Pro Max. Complete all your data, accept the terms and conditions, continue and confirm, and well, other opportunities. Remember, each of these are offers available in parallel, with which, well, not all of them are going to have the same ones, and some may be paying you more, others less, depending on which page you choose. But the truth is that it is a very good way. We have the direct offers that these, well, basically they are from here, from the Empire. As you see, we have here different opportunities, which, well, they can make us earn good commissions. We have also the video option where you can watch unlimited videos videos, and for example here you can select the niche that you like the most, for example hire out TV for gaming to laugh at movies, staff technology, and lifestyle. We also have other opportunities which come in quite good. I don't particularly like this one so much since for example for every 9 hideout points of 3 ads you receive 50 coins, which could extend quite a bit how long it takes to get the minimum withdrawal amount. But hey, if you want to get money simply by watching videos, it's a very good way with a referral system where you can receive up to 500 coins for each referral. And with the promotion system where simply promoting or following them, you can get good commissions. Now to withdraw them, click here on without. And as you see, you only need 2,000 coins for Bitcoin, 2,000 for Bitcoin for Amazon. You are starting to require a little more, 42,000 for Steam, 22,000 for Valorant, 51,000. And well, as you see, there are several opportunities for different games on different platforms and different ways to win, which at least to me seems like an excellent opportunity for you to get in your commissions in a fairly simple way. And even if you want to get, for example, turkeys for Fortnite, $10 would be 118,000 coins for Google Play. Here we have different opportunities, 15 euros, 180,000 coins, and well, it's up to you which option you want to choose. At least me, I think it's a very good way in which you can start getting good commissions, and the minimum withdrawal amount, as you can see, is just 20 cents on the dollar. So we can go up to $100, where it would be 1,000,000 coins. But well, basically there are surveys that they will be paying you $3 in Bitcoin, so you can start earning quite simply. But hey, tell me how you thought about this new method. Leave me your comments in the description to know what you think. Remember to invite your friends to get extra commissions. Until next.